In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shift all colors with hue saturation in Photoshop. If you've ever wanted to change the overall mood of a photo, turn a summer scene into a cooler cinematic moment, or simply experiment with creative color palettes, this is one of the fastest, most reliable ways to do it. Hue saturation lets you rotate all the colors in your image around the color wheel without getting into complex selections or masks, making it perfect for quick global color transformations. First, open your image in Photoshop. Pick a photo with clearly defined colors so you can see the effect easily. Think landscapes with blue skies and green foliage, portraits with vibrant clothing, or city scenes with colorful signs. Once your image is open and visible on the canvas, you're ready to make the adjustment. Next, go to the top menu and choose Image, then Adjustments, then Hue Saturation. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+U on Windows or Command+U on a Mac. This opens the hue saturation dialog where you'll see the hue slider at the top, along with saturation and lightness below it. For this technique, we'll focus solely on the hue slider since it's the control that shifts all the colors at once. Now drag the hue slider left or right and watch the entire image transform in real time. Moving the slider rotates colors around the wheel. Reds shift toward magentas, magentas to blues, blues to cyans, cyans to greens, greens to yellows, and yellows back to reds. Sliding to the right moves you one direction around the wheel, sliding to the left moves you the other. Small moves, like plus or minus 10 to 30, create subtle, natural-looking shifts that are great for gentle color grading. Larger moves can completely change the palette, which is perfect for bold, stylized looks. Keep an eye on areas where color accuracy matters, like skin tones or brand colors, because shifting too far can make them look unnatural. Also note that perfectly neutral areas, pure whites, blacks, and grays, won't shift much since they don't contain strong hue information. If you push the slider and decide it's too much, simply bring it closer to 0 to dial it back, or set it back to 0 to return to your original colors. When you've found a hue shift you like, that's it. You've successfully changed the overall color character of your photo with a single simple control.